Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Atom and loading your project folder so files resolve and packages can access them. Once done, make sure your entry file is named and saved with the correct extension, for example, JS or Py, because Atom relies on grammar to select runners. Install or enable a runner package like script or Atom Runner and check package settings for your runtime path. Do this now so the editor and tooling talk to the interpreter or node process correctly. Next, configure the run environment so your code executes the way you expect. You pick the runner and set the interpreter path, for instance C, \python39 \python, exe or /usr/bin/node because incorrect paths cause silent failures. Then set the working directory, any environment variables, and command line arguments. These affect file resolution and behavior. If your program needs SD'd in or produces lots of output, prefer Atom's integrated terminal or finally, run your code and verify results by observing SD'd out, SD'd error, and the exit code. You'll see syntax errors immediately. Runtime issues may need logging or stepping through with breakpoints. If output is missing, rerun in the integrated or external terminal to confirm interactive behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, always confirm the interpreter path, executable permissions, and runner package configuration. Those three are the most common causes of failures in Atom setups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.